Today is Tuesday, but it's not just any Tuesday, it's Take Apart Tuesday. Today's challenge is to take something apart. You're going to be working with your family and you're going to need some adult supervision to make sure that you're following safety rules with your tools. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose something to take apart. Some ideas are maybe an old toy, electronic, or appliance. We ended up taking apart an old vacuum cleaner. If you don't have technology, you could find a pine cone, a leaf, a flower, or other item from nature. You're going to need some basic tools, screwdriver, pliers, scissors, tweezers, and you might want some string, tape, wire, glue, or another item to reassemble your materials that you took apart into something new. The challenge: take something apart and try to repurpose the pieces into something new. Some ideas. You can make a poster collage of all the parts you discover with some ideas about what they do, and you can try putting them back together. There's also a read aloud, and here is a picture you can draw, and you can label the parts. And the last thing you could do is you could sort your parts into categories, name each category, and tell how many parts are in each category. As a challenge, you could ask yourself, what if you had 2, 4, 6, or 8 of the same item you took apart? How many parts would be in each category then? So that's what you're going to try today. And